Hey everybody, how's it going? Draw the line, RK. Heading down to the river today. Show you guys a little more, another section of the farm. Showed you a little bit of it in 2 parts of my videos. Here's a garden area I got going here. Some tomatoes and got stuff I talked about in my last video, malanga. Got some squash and tomatoes. Got some pathetic corn. Have some cabbages, some beans. There's a pineapple over there. Like I said, I got a bunch of different garden spots around the farm. A bunch of different little garden spots. But we'll take the little trail down. We're gonna take the trail all the way down to the bottom of the river today to give you guys a idea that all the way up there, you can see that pole up there. That's the top of the farm. And all the way, that's the family's house over there. Original farmhouse of this property. It's not mine, it's my family's house, my wife's family. That's the goat pen, but it's 100 vertical feet. We're gonna be going where those plantain trees are. We're going down over there. We're gonna show you the river. Pick up the pace here on the trail. Here's just a little trail. I should have stopped and showed y'all, but there's avocado trees along the trail, and there's a tree called a mamey tree. And that grows like almost like a, there's an avocado tree, there's one. Here's another on this trail. There's 3 or 4 up higher. But the other tree I was talking about has it grows like a cantaloupe on a tree. And it kind of is like cantaloupe. As we're heading down here, making our way down, and northern Michigan. I think that's Jason's name, Northern Michigan. Gave me a shout out. I'm gonna look at your correct name to make sure what it is, Jason, on my next video. Sorry. But Northern Michigan, living in Northern Michigan, I believe it's something like that. But he gave me a shout out, and thanks to all his friends that checked me out. Appreciate it. Keep checking me out. Watch my farm grow. Here we are down at those plantains. You can see we got plantains start up there. You know, they're about halfway done. And here's another group, a little newer group right here. That's we call that the racemo. And that little flower on the end there, you know, it keeps growing out and growing more plantains. Now we're at the bottom of the farm here. You can get an idea all the way up there by those trees and that pole. Up there's my little shack and the chicken coop. But we'll work our way down here. And during that big hurricane, a bunch of my land here mudslid off and came sliding down here. And it took me a little bit of time to get a trail back down here again, but I got one. All this stuff here is edible, all these big leaf stuff. It's malanga and jautia. I had said in a past video that it's some of the oldest food known to man. But here we are down in the riverbed. We're gonna walk up the river a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys my little mini waterfall that we all hang out at. Thing you need is a machete to cut all the spider webs down every day, because there's always tons of spiders. You can see them maybe. Always tons of spiders. You can see how clean the water is. Getting a spider web. Oh, sorry. We're just walking upriver here. This river really gets going when it rains. You don't want to be in the river when it rains. This river is always this clean. There's freshwater shrimp in here. There's crayfish in here. There's fish in here. Different kinds. See down in there. Anyways, this is my little getaway of getaways. It's my little vacation away from vacation down here. I love walking down here. Real nice. We're down in the tropical rainforest of the island Puerto Rico in the Caribbean. And I've lived down here for the past 4 years or so straight now. And my farm is almost 3 years old. Not quite. Look at that. Look how clean the water is. Look at all that. I'm gonna keep moving along here because I don't want the video to be too long. So you can see the fish in here. See them in there? See all the, I don't know if you can see them in there or not, but there's a bunch of freshwater shrimp and crayfish in there. Go around the log. Yeah, unfortunately from the big storm Maria, I found this piece of roof here. I gotta drag it out of here. I got it out of the sand last time I was down here. I need to drag it out, get it out of here. There's where rivers come together right here. That's bamboo up there. I'm not gonna take you up there and show you the bamboo, but I don't have enough time today. That's another video. Trying to make where the waterfall is, and then even up here by the waterfall, there's a tarp that come down from somewhere and it's caught up in here. I've been working it, getting it out little by little, getting it lifted up out of here. There's a little mini waterfall here. Water's gone down quite a bit because it hasn't rained very much in a week. We're running out of the rainy season right now. But here's our little personal pool and waterfall right here. We had a fire right here. We put a fire in the middle of the river and chill. And here's our river. And in these leaves, it's real good that these leaves gather up for me like this because they're the freshwater shrimp are in there. So here we go. There's our little waterfall. Not a big one, but when the river's coming down a lot more, hope you all enjoy what you're seeing. I enjoy making the video, showing you my farm. I'm 50 years old. I worked a lifetime to try and live off grid, to own the property I own. And the good thing here in Puerto Rico is we don't pay property tax here. When you own the land, you own it. And they ain't gonna take it from you. And that's one reason I retired here. And another reason is that I can, you know, own my land. See those, can you see those stuff in there? I hope you can see it on the video. There's a bunch of fish. Here, let me put my machete down. I'll try to zoom in on it. Yeah, it's just too reflective. Can't really see it. There's some freshwater shrimp right there by those leaves. They're just sitting there. You can see them right by that brown leaf. Sitting right there. See them right there, just sitting there. They get pretty big enough where you have a little trap and you can catch them. Yep, this is my little waterfall, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed coming back and checking it out. And all my followers, I appreciate you. Didn't really plan on becoming a YouTuber, but I feel that the way the world is right now, I need to show people my farm and show that, you know, off-grid living may be our new way of life. And peace to everybody out there. We'll be surfing and skating soon. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you later. Peace. Hang loose. This is Draw the Line RK. Have a great one, y'all out there. Take care. Bye.